Okay, game. Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Ako po pala si Nina Marie Santos, ang isa sa pinakamaganda, wow, na pamangkin ni Nay. Ako po yung anak ng kanyang bunsong kapatid na si Cayetano Santos. And presently, andito po ako sa Dubai, so hindi ko po kayo makakasama dyan, but my presence will always be with you. Wow, drama. So, maybe nagulat po kayo ba't black and white ang aking background. Well, syempre no, 1930s, so di dapat, ilan taon na si Nay? 80. Nay, di bale, nasa may loto pa ba, no? Wala na yun. Anyway, so para kunyari 1930s talaga yung dating natin, so black and white. I just want to greet you, happy birthday, and happy 80th birthday. I hope na humaba pa na humaba ang buhay mo para makapagluto ka pa sa mga kaapu-apu-apuhan mo ng masasarap mong luto na namimiss ko dito sa Dubai. Especially yung leche flan. Yun, kasi walang masarap dito leche flan. At saka yung mga iba mo pang putahe, of course. And ano pa, wish ko sa'yo, may you have many more blessings and birthdays to come. And good health, always good health. And alam ko naman na malakas ka kay Lord, so for sure, i-grant na lahat ng wish mo. And always remember, I love you very much, and I miss you all, and hope to see you next year. Okay? Happy birthday ulit, Nay. Bye. Love you. In behalf of Daddy, Mommy, Ryan, Kuya Raul, Ate G, Zachary, Gwyneth, and Trixie, and of course, no, si Colette, si Gabriel, yung aming baby. And of course, in behalf of Red, happy birthday, Nay. We love you.